What's that one like? Dame? What's that one like compared to the other one?
More shallow.
It's more shallow, is it?
Yeah.
Is it easy to do? Is it easy to do laps? Is it easy to do laps?
No, it's not easy. I'll take the options anyway.
You can't.
Try.
Do you want to join us over here?
I'm okay here.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
I might come across there in a few minutes.
Here's some more footage of Liam now. So. Monday the 2nd of April 2016 in Algarve, Patio Village.
Where's that pub? Yeah, over there. It's the windy on my fucking apartment.
Oh, no, they're going into the apartments, are they? Oh, Jesus.
Hey!
The cats are going into his apartment, Liam.
Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah. Disgusting things, aren't they? You should really close that door so they won't get in, you know. Yeah. They're awful things. No, look.
Alright.
You cannot get there.
You take the dog any day to be. Huh? Like
Yeah.
that?
I like some. I like Labradors and collies. Yeah. I like collies and Labradors. Labradors are friendly. But I don't like those what they call those danger ones. You know, the big ones, the ones that bite and that. You know.